Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section online class first year. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 1 of your class, that is first year. Normally on the first day, I discuss the paper pattern of my subject, that is English, so that you may be able to know what type of questions will be set for your examination and what weightage will be given to particular part of your book, so that you may be able to prepare yourself for the annual examination. Dear students, before embarking on the paper pattern of English, I would like to tell you the books which have been recommended for your class, that is first year. Number 1, English Book 1, that comprises short stories. There are 15 lessons in English Book 1. Number 2, English Book 3, that comprises plays and poems, 3 plays and 20 poems, so 23 lessons in English Book 3. Dear students, you might have seen English Book 2 is missing. Book 2 will be read inshallah in the second year. Number 3, grammar and composition. Dear students, your paper will be of 100 marks and you will be given 3 hours to solve your English paper. English paper has been divided into 2 parts. First is objective type, that carries 20 marks, and second is subjective type, that carries 80 marks. For objective type paper, you will be given 30 minutes, and for subjective type paper, you will be given 2 hours and 30 minutes. You are supposed to solve your paper within the time. First of all, objective type, that carries 20 marks. Question number 1, Part A, synonyms. There are 3 categories in Book 2, that are short stories, plays and poems. 5 synonyms are selected from short stories, 3 from plays and 2 from poems. A long sentence will be given, 1 word will be highlighted and underlined, and 4 options will be given to find the suitable synonym for the highlighted word. Each synonym is given 1 mark, so 10 marks are allocated for synonyms. Part B, multiple choice questions, MCQs. MCQs are selected from short stories and plays only. No MCQ is selected from poems. 5 MCQs are given. Each MCQ is given 1 mark, so 5 marks for MCQs. The question of MCQs may be, a sentence is given, there might be a blank space. You are to fill the blank space from the 4 options that are given under the sentence, or you may be asked a simple question, a simple word in that MCQ. Part C, that is forms of verbs. Forms of verbs are given 5, and 1 word, 1 form is missing, and you are to fill that very form from the 4 options that are given under the sentence. So 5 marks are given to forms of verb. So there are total 20 marks. If you work hard, you can get all 20 marks from objective type. Rather, I must advise you, you should get 20 marks. No mark should be deducted from objective type. If you want to make a better percentage, if you want to make a very good position in English. Dear students, we just discussed objective type, that carries 20 marks. Now we'll discuss objective type, that carries 80 marks. Subjective type comprises 2 sections. Section 1, question number 2, that is of short questions. There are 3 categories of short questions: short stories, plays and poems. 9 questions are selected from short stories, and each short question carries 2 marks. In this way, 6 into 2, 12 marks are given to short stories. Then plays, 8 questions are selected from plays, and you are to answer only 5. 5 into 2, 10 marks are given to plays. Poems, 6 questions are selected from the poems, and you are to answer only 4. 4 into 2, 8. In this way, 12, 10 and 8 marks become 30. So 30 marks are given to question number 2, that is of short questions. Now section 2. Question number 3, letter or application. There will be a choice between letter and application. I would advise you to go for letter. You can get more marks in letter. In this way, there are 10 marks are given to letter or application. Number 4, moral story. There are 2 moral stories and you are to write on one topic only. 10 marks are given to moral story. Question number 5, that has 3 parts. Part A, reference to the context. Reference to the context is taken from the poems only. 2 marks are given to the reference. 1 is to context and 3 to explanation. So 5 marks are given to part A, that is of reference to the context. Part B, pairs of words. 8 pairs of words are given and 1 mark is given to 1 pair. In this way, 5 marks are given to the pairs of words and you are to write only 5 out of 8. Part C, that is of punctuation, and punctuation is selected from short stories only. There is a small paragraph that is selected from short stories and 5 marks are given to the punctuation. In this way, 15 marks are given to question number 5, that comprises A, reference to the context, B, pairs of words, C, punctuation. Question number 6, that is the last but not the least, that is of translation from English to Urdu. A paragraph is selected from short stories only and it carries 15 marks. In this way, 80 marks are allocated for subjective type, 20 for objective type, and in this way you have 100 marks for your English paper. I have a lot of prayers for your success in your examination. This is your paper pattern. This is your lecture. If you have any question, if you have any problem, you may comment in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer your questions. Dear students, till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.